I hope everybody's doing well. I am here in Mullica Hill. This is less than 5 miles from my house. These people suffered a tremendous loss on Wednesday evening here. And you can see I'm standing amongst, wow, this is just, it's really hard to believe that Mother Nature can do this kind of destruction. These people lost everything. I mean, look at these houses. I live about 5 miles from here. I wanted to come by to see if I could help with any of the cleanup efforts. This actually is a very beautiful neighborhood here. It's unbelievable because some houses look like that, and then that house was untouched. Path of destruction is just unbelievable. I think the residences here were out here till late last night trying to gather their belongings or whatever they could. This is a kitchen cabinet with a microwave still attached to it. It's surreal when you see things like this with people that live so close to me. And you just want to hug them and tell them how sorry you are for the... This is just unbelievable, folks. Unbelievable. Never seen anything like this in my life. And I've been around quite a few years. That house over there got the roof blown off. This house got completely obliterated. I think this was the worst of the houses here. This is just unbelievable. There might be some residences down there. I'm gonna try and see if I can help anybody with anything. My house, which is about 5 miles from here, we lost a tree, but no house damage. See, that house got hit really hard as well. This is just unbelievable, folks. You know, you hear about these kind of things happening in the Midwest all the time. Oklahoma, Tornado Alley. But you never think it's going to happen here. Hit so close to home. But the cleanup effort is on. As you can hear in the background. What is very amazing about this whole situation is not one person was killed. Thank God. Houses can be repaired and replaced, people can't. That house just got hammered as well. This spot here, trying to zoom out a little bit, was where their shed was. And now it's all over here. This here is, you may have seen this on the news. This is a wrought iron fence. It's just destroyed. I mean, that is a strong fence. Now, they said what went through here was an EF3 tornado with winds of 150 miles per hour. And from the looks of things, that's pretty accurate. I went to one of the residents' house here across the street, whose house was not affected, and did a little minor interview with her. I'll try to get that on my YouTube channel later today. This is where the governor was yesterday. This is where he was speaking right here.
Alex, I did my best to get you out of the situation for tomorrow.
Am I still staying here?
I don't know. I went with Chelsea.
I was just speaking with the CNBC people who are here. They're doing live feeds on NBC all day on this. They are right there with the cameras, as you can see. That guy in the gray shirt who's walking, he is a reporter for CNBC. Sorry for the length of this video, but I just was so shocked. Now, as you can see, the tornado went right through those trees, knocking down most of them. This side of this house is basically gone. And this side of this house didn't suffer nowhere near the amount of damage. Makes you wonder, like, how's that possible, right? That house really got it. And so I just had a interview with the neighbor over there. This is his house here. He was telling me that they're not allowed to go in the house because it's unstable. That pile of trees over there, you see, there are 3 cars are under those trees and they're destroyed. And they're now with the fire department over there.